Okay, so my project today is to replace the spoiler that I have here with the new RedEye spoiler, which I just bought. And it's in the box there. So, yep, the new RedEye spoiler is going on my Scat Pack today. So I'm going to get started and give you updates as I go through it and see how it goes. Obviously, first thing you do is you have to undo the cover, unlock the camera, and then take the bolts off on either side and slowly but surely work it off with some fishing line, which I have. I think that's the best solution for the adhesive tape. Some people just kind of use brute force with levers and stuff like that, but yeah, I think fishing line is going to work best. So let's get started.